Hey shoppers, today we have this refrigerator that goes into your vehicle that we got from Amazon. Really nice, you can go in your vehicle or you can actually plug it in. It has a nice large size on the inside here. This is a drain. You unscrew it and there's a little hole there so you can drain out water or anything that spills. Nice feature. A nice user manual. And you also have two different types of plugs. One plugs into the cigarette lighter into your vehicle, and the other one plugs right into your wall. So super cool. Nice long cord. There we go. Now we are on. So you just power it on and off from here. You can turn up the temperature on these devices right here. And so there's a nice control panel. You can also download the app on your phone and control the temperature through your app on your phone. Notice the nice handles that are conveniently located on each side to make it easy to remove.
You also have the app, and you can download this app. Easy instructions in the manual. Download the QZ Smart app. You can log in, create a profile, then you can control this from your Bluetooth.